Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting adventure on our channel. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of Zanzibar, the Spice Islands. From pristine beaches to rich cultural heritage, Zanzibar has something for every type of traveler. So, grab your virtual passport as we explore the top 5 reasons why you should consider making Zanzibar your next travel destination. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our travel escapades. Now let's get started. Picture this: powdery white sand, crystal clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees. Zanzibar boasts some of the most breathtaking beaches in the world. Nungwi, Kendwa, and Paje are just a few of the gems you'll find along the coastline. Whether you're into water sports, sunbathing, or simply enjoying a tranquil sunset, Zanzibar's beaches offer the perfect tropical escape. Oh, and speaking of marine wonders, did you know that just off the northeast coast lies Nungwi Atoll? It's a diverse paradise, home to vibrant coral reefs and an abundance of marine life. Snorkeling or diving here is like entering an underwater world straight out of a National Geographic documentary. Zanzibar is not just about sun and sand, it's a melting pot of cultures with a fascinating history. The historic Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of narrow streets, ancient buildings, and vibrant markets. You can explore the spice farms that put Zanzibar on the map or wander through the doors of Zanzibar, famous for their intricate carvings and history. These intricately carved doors aren't just for show. Each design tells a unique story about the residents and their background. From Indian, Arabian to African influences, the doors of Zanzibar truly reflect the island's diverse history. Now let's talk about the spice of life, literally. Zanzibar is renowned as the Spice Islands for a reason. Spice tours take you through lush plantations where you can witness the cultivation of cloves, vanilla, cinnamon, and other exotic spices. It's a sensory journey that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the flavors that enrich Zanzibar's culinary delights. Did you know that Zanzibar produces about 80% of the world's cloves? That's right. It's the undisputed clove capital, and the air is often filled with the sweet and spicy aroma of this aromatic spice. Zanzibar isn't just a paradise for beach lovers and history buffs, it's also a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Jozani Chwaka Bay National Park is home to the rare and endemic Zanzibar red colobus monkey. Imagine strolling through a forest and encountering these playful creatures. It's an experience you won't forget. The Zanzibar red colobus monkey is not only adorable but also critical to the island's ecosystem. With their distinctive rust-colored fur, they add a splash of color to the greenery of Jozani Forest. Last but certainly not least, the food. Zanzibar offers a culinary journey that's as diverse as its cultural heritage. From the aromatic flavors of Zanzibari biryani to the tantalizing street food and Forodani Gardens, your taste buds are in for a treat. Did you know that Forodani Gardens comes alive at night with an array of street food stalls? It's a foodie's paradise where you can savor local delicacies like Zanzibar pizza, grilled seafood, and sweet treats under the starry sky. And there you have it, the top 5 reasons to pack your bags and head to Zanzibar. From stunning beaches to a rich cultural tapestry, this tropical paradise has it all. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!